remember this spot? I think I do. I think Dad used to take us.
Yo, what is going on? So I've just come home and I was meant to get Skyline parts yesterday. Turbo locking tabs and fucking something else. I can't remember what it was. But yeah, that was so we could, you know, put my engine back in. We're going to start working on it this weekend. It's now Friday afternoon. It's gone 5 o'clock. I'm home. No parts, no thing from the post office, which sucks dick. So another weekend gone to waste. But Adam's just called me up and he said he's working on the Corolla at the garage and maybe doing some stuff to the S15, so we'll go there. And yeah, holy shit, a lot of running around. I just got home and I'm going again. But yeah, let go. Alright, so I've just gotten here and these guys have been working on the Corolla and the S15. So, what are we doing?
Oil change, coolant change, brake fluid.
So all fluids?
Yeah.
Pretty much.
You know, anything that's obviously not right.
Yeah. Want a service?
Yeah, pretty much. There's some, you know, stuff before the roadworthy.
Oh yeah.
Is it still brown? It's kind of hard to tell. Doesn't look that brown.
It's getting less brown, but
We're running out of
it's getting clear.
That's good enough for sure.
That'll do. So we just got a hose in the top of the radiator, flushing a little bit of rust out. Say a little bit, but like a lot.
It's a bucket full.
It's like Skyline water.
Yeah.
And if that's anything to go by, the motor's probably the same.
No, it's not. It's heat
He says.
Well, that came out of my radiator, and then it came out the engine the tiniest bit, and then it came out clear. So we flushed it out pretty quick on its own, kind of thing.
Should be right.
It's probably still, that thing's probably still full of rust, let's be honest.
Probably.
It's a Toyota, not a Nissan. Like, that'll break because this has rusty water in it.
Should be in the drawer for the like big shit. Or two up.
Nope, I need shit myself. It's the oil filter fixer. Fixes.
I had to do this on the 180.
I don't care, the new one's still in the box. Like,
Oh.
and if you break something, you know, the most it's going to cost you is probably like $20. There you go.
Hey. You might have cracked it.
Now it's your job.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah, you got it. Nice.
No, that's too far away.
Cool. I just have to clean all that shit off. Very nice.
Yeah, Grandpa taught me that one.
What?
He's trying to change the filter on his 86 and it was like jammed on there. He's like, no, you just take a hammer and a screwdriver and belt the fucker.
He has an 86?
Yep. Sold it because it was too slow.
Motherfucker.
What did he buy? A big LZ.
No, nothing. He just went back to driving the Celica.
Oh, it's a newer 86.
Light.
It's not like a Corolla.
No, yeah, like what Adam had.
Oh, fuck.
That's pretty cool.
He said it was a piece of crap. In terms of like performance.
I think the 86 hits where it wants to hit.
No, it's good. You just have to.
If you want more,
You just gotta put your
make
fucking
more.
foot down. Like, don't
Oh,
get.
he does.
but like if you
But you
want
gotta put
performance
your-
out of one of them stock, you take it to a track, you're gonna be clutch kicking it.
Yeah, you gotta put
The
your
whole
foot
day.
down where you don't think you gotta put your foot down to get the performance out of it. Like, it's honestly like flat to the floor car. Like, it's like driving. It'd be like driving your XL.
He went back to.
Is that light alright?
No. Jeez, the power lines, man.
All right, people. When you change an oil filter, you get your new oil. You put a little bit on that rubber sealant to help it seal. You put it back in when the hoist goes back down.
Which will happen now.
This requires 2 hands.
Luckily, we've all got one each.
Yeah, that'll do.
You thread it back on, get a good shot of it. Right, and you thread it back on there, you go hand tie it. Not too much force. Yep, that's enough.
Just hand tight.
Pretty much hand tight and a little bit of effort at the end, and that's enough. You tighten the shit out of it, and then you have the problem of either it doesn't come off like we just had, or it leaks because you've crushed the rubber seal too much.
Oh shit. The more you know.
Let's just make sure it's not coming out the bottom. And, you know. I think that's sweet.
I think we are sweet.
I'll call that one a success.
I was really hoping you were gonna be like that meme on Facebook, like when the bartender fucking
pours
loses his job and he has an essential job now and he's pouring it the fucking oil into the engine over his shoulder.
I'm not that cool. A little bit more.
We changed the coolant and oil without actually jacking the car up.
Yeah.
Although there's that much space in there. Maybe they did it from the top.
Oh, yeah, that's what I said. Like, you could have done the whole job from the top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not the easiest way, but
Cool. It's got a lot of fucking dirt on it.
I can't believe my fucking parts didn't come.
Yeah, no shit.
When you sent me that message yesterday, Mum sent me a message. I asked her if the parts came. She's like, no, I was so sad. I was like packed up and ready to come home. Yeah, and then I was on the way home when you sent me that message.
No
like
shit.
20 minutes down the road.
Oh yeah, because I had to. Like, I went out for work, like not for long. Came back, you know, like nothing. They're just leaving everything by the door now anyway.
Yeah.
So yeah, like come home. Mum got home like not long after me. Nothing come. Nothing's in the letterbox. Nothing. You can check your email.
Yeah, I will be checking my email.
I wanna clean the bottom of this car.
Like Andy's? Just
I mean, not that well. But yeah. I mean, because it's covered in fucking dirt.
oh yeah, it is.
Oh yeah, this is a drip tray.
The drip tray. The Sahara Desert.
Yeah, look at the. I mean, you know, is that, and then like it's got a decent layer of dirt on it.
Yeah.
I mean, in a car that makes 4 horsepower, it's gonna make all the difference.
You're gonna feel every kilo that leaves the car.
I reckon, like
Easy.
I reckon if we do like a 0 to 100, or maybe a 0 to.
I think
maybe a 0 to 30 because we don't have that much time. And then we do one again after.
Yeah.
Oh, that's all your fault.
Man.
Oh man.
It's got the wobbles.
It's your shit, man. Oh fuck.
100% too much.
A litre.
You sure you don't want a funnel?
I want a funnel. Oh yeah.
Does that thing even have a thermostat?
Probably not. How can you tell?
Has it got a thermo fan or engine fan? Probably an engine fan.
Is anyone going to appreciate the positioning of the light?
Oh yeah, that's good as.
Yeah, I know. I did it.
It's like the only car you'd actually hang it on the.
Yeah, I know. I've seen it. I'm like, oh yeah. No.
Or the XL.
Still, I don't know how proud you are of the plastic on the bonnet.
He's so proud of that shit.
Yeah, treat the race car with respect.
I hope you start the race, like your first race, and then at the end of the race, everyone's wondering who the fuck you are because all the wrap fell off during the race.
Yeah, there's an imposter.
Okay. Brakes.
Yeah. New day. We doing the brakes.
Yeah, stopped doing this last night because, you know, I let the camera die like a shit cunt. But yeah, it's a new day. It's a shit one. But there's brakes to be done. Pump motherfucker. Yep. 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 Again. There's a bit of air in there. Yeah? Yeah. Yep. Yep. Yeah, I reckon that one's fine.
What was it like at the start?
It was murky, but not a single drop of air has come out. It's just changed colour.
You're looking pretty even here. Alright, that was actually worth getting done out here. Fucking you hit me in the face with hails.
Stop it!
I mean, it could be worse.
Yeah.
They could be wet.
What could be wet?
The hail.
It's
Oh.
coming in dry.
Yeah, and I'm wetting it. Right, fuck it. We're just gonna act like it's the middle of summer.
Yeah.